Did you know that speed dial feature lets you make calls with just one tap on your Samsung phone? This is important because it saves you time and makes calling much easier. If you want to learn how to set it up on your Samsung Galaxy, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up speed dial. Open the phone app on your phone, then ensure you're on the keypad screen. Next, tap 3 dots in the top right corner. Now select speed dial numbers. Here, choose a number from 2 to 9. Select the contact you want to assign to that number. Step 2. Using speed dial. Open the phone app again. To call the speed dial number, simply press and hold the assigned number on the keypad. Right after that, the call will be made immediately. That's it, guys. Now you know how to set up speed dial on your Samsung phone. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe for more useful tips. If you have any questions or need help, just leave a comment below. I'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.